Zach from Myshire Farm. We're back doing another video for you. This idea was brought to us by Living with Kim on YouTube, so thank you for the idea. We appreciate it. And this video is going to be the 5 most important aspects for breeding. We've been doing a lot of videos like the top 5 reasons for chick fatality and the top 5 reasons for poor hatch rate, and I really like counting them down. I like the top 5 idea. But when we put this one together, they all go hand in hand, so there's really not one that's more important than the other, because for a good breeding program you need them all. So there is, these are not in any order. You need all 5 to have a very successful breeding program. So before I jump into it, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, like and subscribe. It's Myshire Farm. We really appreciate it. But jumping into it, the first one is egg viability. When you put a breeding group together or a cage together, you need to wait 7 to 10 days before the eggs are viable. And that even works with, if you get eggs and you hatch them out and they start laying, you really need to wait 7 to 10 days before you count them as fertile. So that's the first one, egg viability. Always wait 7 to 10 days before you start incubating. Number 2 would be light. They need about 14 to 16 hours a day for light. The best practice to use for light is, well, sunlight, but obviously 14 to 16 hours a day. You want to use full spectrum, which would be the best practice. Now you can use anything you want. You can use daylight, light bulbs, which is not the end of the world, but the best practice would be full spectrum, and that will give you best results. But 14 to 16 hours a day. We do about 15 here. My days here on the farm are about 15 hours a day. So when I get up, lights go on, and when I quit for the day, lights go off. But I don't know why I haven't set a timer out there. It would be a lot easier, but it is what it is. So number 3 would be age. Alright, so we're talking about a breeding program, okay? So if someone's wanting to get a couple eggs to incubate and hatch to get their own eggs a day or whatever, they do lay up to 2 years. That's accurate. But if we're talking about a breeding program, you want to switch out your hens once a year. And the most important aspect is the males in this, because they tend to drop off their giddy up at about 10 months. So the best practice in this one is to switch out your hens once a year and switch out your males once every 10 months. And that's the best practice for that. The next one would be space. I get probably 15 to 20 questions a week, whether it's emails or YouTube or Facebook or text messages or whatever, phone calls, about space. I'm building a cage, what space do I need? Or I bought a cage, or I'm about to build a cage, or whatever. And the best answer, the best practice for that is the max that you want to do is 3.5 quail per square foot. So if you're looking for a breeding program, Myshire Farm recommends 3.5 quail per square foot. The egg viability, the ratio, the age, the light, all that stuff, this would probably be the least important of them all. But it is still important that you need to make sure that they're close enough to make sure they're breeding, but not overly crowded. So anything over 3.5, it just seems like they're overcrowded to us. So 3.5 quail per square foot. And then the last one is ratio, which is definitely not the least important. Ratio is very important. For years we've done a 5-to-1 ratio here. Recently, well, not after a while, we've went down to a 4-to-1 ratio, and the only reason for that is because we're shipping so many hatching eggs everywhere. We want to make sure that you guys have the best possible chance of getting 100% hatch rate, which has happened a couple different times, which is really cool. But the downside of that is that the hens get beat up a little bit more, which I hate. But because we're shipping so many hatching eggs, we want to make sure that you guys get the best possible chance. So we recommend a 5-to-1. The hens still look good, the males are still happy, and you're still getting an 80 to 85% fertility rate, which is great, which is kind of where you want to be at. So just to recap, we've talked about egg viability, 7 to 10 days. Light, 14 to 16 hours a day. Best practice is full spectrum. 3 is age. Switch out your hens once a year. Switch out your males once every 10 months. Number 2 would be space. We're looking at 3.5 quail per square foot, which would be the max, so you can do less, and that's completely fine. And then the ratio, which we recommend a 5-to-1 ratio. So those, to Myshire Farm, is the 5 most important aspects for breeding. So if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll be doing more videos soon, so stay tuned. Thanks.